Hello everyone, this is another market moment with Randy Williams, Gurian. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. It's really challenging market out there because there's different schools of thought on how to address the fallout from this virus, and we got some more information today about what the administration's thoughts are, and the market was trading fine, and then it wasn't. So I think this volatility you're seeing is going to continue up until and after the election, until we get some more resolution, the market gets some resolution about what's the direction for the economy. I clearly think we need another stimulus package, especially for the airlines and some of the industries that were most impacted or are being most impacted by the virus. And it's clear to me that that needs to happen, and whether it happens now or 6 weeks from now or 10 weeks from now, I don't know the timing, but I think it will happen, and the market will eventually wrap its arms around that, and that will be a positive. It'll be a plus. The other pieces of this puzzle that haven't been figured out is who's going to be the next president, and obviously that's going to have an impact, and who's going to, which party is going to control the Senate and the House, and that hasn't been figured out either. So, the market will have a little consternation around that, but I think the market's adjusting to the fact that we might see a change, and if we see a change, they're adjusting. What's that going to mean for taxes? What's that's going to mean for our relationship with China? So there's several elements here that you have to take into consideration, and we just don't know, and that's why the market's a little bit stunted here. I think we will get some earnings reports, but again, those are going to be backward looking, not forward looking, but we might get some outlooks from companies that would be helpful. So I think you're going to get more information here in the next 4 to 6 to 8 weeks, and ultimately by the start of next year, I think we'll have a really good idea of where we're headed, and I still think you stay invested. We've got really low interest rates. We've got really good things happening with the virus. And I think a lot of it's going to be sorted out. So you have to take the long-term view here and not try and trade. So I think that's the smart way to manage money. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Sorry, a little longer-winded today, but I just wanted to cover a lot of what I think is happening with the economy and the markets. Thanks a lot. See you next week.